In this video, I'll show you how to play music through your mic for Discord, Skype, games, and others. If you're looking for a simple way to play music through your mic on Discord, Skype, games, and other platforms, there are a few methods you can try. One of the easiest ways is using Voice Mod, a virtual audio device that lets you play sounds and music through your microphone. So, first thing that you'll need to do is to download the application into your device. So, click on this download for free button, and that will take you into this page, and in here you'll need to go ahead and sign up for an account before you can download the application into your device. Now after you go and sign up for an account, you need to authorize the connection between your selected account and your Voice Mod account. So click on that authorize button at the bottom right of your screen, and this will redirect you into the section. Your download will immediately start, and you need to go ahead and click on this download and verified file to confirm downloading this application despite this being unverified. Once it is installed on your device, you need to go ahead and open that executable file from your local drive and start the installation process into your device. So go ahead and click on that executable file and select a language and click on OK, and continue on setting a Voice Mod application into your device before you can go ahead and play music through your mic for Discord, Skype, games, and others. And that's basically how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.